Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today we're going to actually compare and look at the Settings app on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. They are different, so I think having separate videos for each is a good idea. And some features are present in one and none in the other. And also this will help you kind of go through the different options. And we're going to actually go through first the settings of the privacy and security in settings. So the first thing that we're going to check is how to look and how to check your Windows Security app or Windows Defender antivirus in Windows. I always say it's the only thing you need for protection. People thinking that buying or getting a big gun antivirus from other companies changes anything in your security. You don't know what security is all about. If antivirus for you is the number one thing that's important, that means you don't know what security is on a PC. All experts are going to tell you antivirus is very far on the list of what's important to keep your PC safe. So how do you see if everything's all right in your antivirus on Windows 11? Well, two ways. You can go into the Start menu, go into Settings. Here you will have on the left side Privacy and Security, and you'll see that the first option at the top is Windows Security. If you go here, you'll see that all the options, including the little green check marks that are supposed to be in front of every option, is there, and you want to make sure that everything is working perfectly. It does not mean because one of the little check marks is not green that it's a danger. Sometimes it has to do with some of the features, including the one like device performance and health, might actually show something that's wrong, but in reality it's not a security hazard. It's just that some setting or something is just not the way that the app actually wants it to be. But in general, you want to have all of this green. The other way to go there is through the taskbar. On the bottom of Windows 11, you'll see that on the right side, you might have a little arrow if you don't see the app. That is the Windows Security is here. You can open actually the panel of Windows Security, and you'll have here all of the options, the 8 options that this app has in Windows 11. Note that in Windows 11, this app has one more option than Windows 10. In Windows 10, you have in the Windows Security app the virus protection, the account protection, the firewall protection, the app control, device security, device performance and health, family option. But there's a added protection history in the Windows Security app in Windows 11. So this is where everything goes, and everything should be working fine. One thing that you should do, if it's hidden like mine, go and take it and left click and drag it to the taskbar in a place where you could see it. And the reason why, you want to see that antivirus icon and see that it has a green check mark so that you know that it's fine. So that's how easy it is, two ways to see the Windows Security app and how well it's working on your PC if everything's all right. If you like my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.